Do I have a great set of wall sconces to show you? These here are 32 inches in length, so quite long. I'll give you a show here now. So these are 32 inches in length. And right here, there is a power button. You can use this power button to cycle through these, or you can also use the remote. So these are rechargeable. I'm going to go ahead and show you how easy it is to install the batteries with these. Batteries just like that. So these are charged with the Type-C charger. And I did an 8-hour charge. Right back on. And then these run for several hours. So really, really nice option to have rechargeable so you don't need to do any electric wiring. So what is all included is you get 2 mounting options. You get these double-sided, like kind of 3M to stick to the lights and to the wall or door, wherever you may choose these, or you have the bracket method. And so the brackets you're just going to mount into the wall and then screw into the back of the light. You have 1 remote, or you actually have 2 remotes, and they each come with batteries. I'm only using 1 because you can actually power both of these with 1, but you do have the option to use 2 of them. You do get your chargers for your lights, and then you also get a user manual. And just so you get the hardware for the brackets. So let me go ahead and show you what these look like with a picture. Oh, I forgot to tell you. The other thing I love about these is you can choose, which direction you want these. So do you want these facing out into the room, towards the wall? Maybe you want them facing towards a corner. So a lot of really cool options with these, as well as when you hang these up, you have the option of turning them in any direction as well. So it really makes these wall sconces versatile. So let's get them hung. Here they are, and boy, they really have such a beautiful look. And I love that there's timers that you can set with the remote and everything. Really looks cool.